Can you add a restaurant note for allergies? Well, the answer depends on that restaurant. If they provide an option called special instruction, you'd be able to give them special instruction. However, if they do not, you won't be able to make that information reach to them. First, you want to simply open the Uber Eats application. After that, you want to simply open a restaurant over here, and once you're inside the restaurant, you want to simply tap on the item that you want to order. After that, what you can do is you can simply add your item to your the cart, and once you go on your cart over here, you want to simply open your order, and inside here you want to simply tap on that item. After that, you want to simply scroll down, and you'd be able to see all kinds of ingredients over here. You want to simply select the ingredients that you want to put, and if you don't want any kinds of ingredient on your order, you'll be able to do that over here as well. After that, if you scroll down all the way, you'd be able to see an option called allergy request. However, you can see the option is not available over here. However, if it was, you'd be able to make allergy requests over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.